Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 222. This was a Sunday. It was the 9th of April 2023. And I am a couple of days behind. I'm not perfect. I got behind, but I am recommitting to this process of doing this every day. I thought I was only one day, and I'm actually like 2 or 3 days behind. It's just the time is just going so fast because I've just been so busy. So anyway, day 222 was a Sunday. Well, what we did, that was Easter Sunday. We spent the day at Disney Springs. We went down there. We had a good time as a family, and I'm really grateful for all the people who put all that together. Really had a great time on day 222. So thanks very much for watching. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again soon. Thanks.